Hello everyone. I hope everything is going well for you. Today I am here with a new topic that is semantic roles. So we will discuss very interesting topic today. You people have to watch the video till the end. It would be very interesting. And if you are new to the channel, you people have to subscribe for upcoming videos. We are starting the lecture now. Semantic roles. Okay, what are the semantic roles? So we will have some terms we will have to discuss. We will discuss these terms in this video. Okay, instead of thinking of words as containers, words are containers of meaning, we can look at the roles they fulfill within the situation described by sentence. Okay, we know that words are containers of meaning. We know that each and every word has meaning. Words are containers, but sometimes we have to look at the roles of the words, that what are the roles of the words in sentences. Okay, we people have to look at that. Okay, so we will discuss these two things. For example, when we talk about sentence, in sentence words have meaning. Words have meaning, but they have roles in the sentence. Okay, if the situation is a simple event, as in, this is the sentence: the boy kicked the ball, then the verb describe an action kick. Okay, this is action kick. The noun phrase in the sentence describe the roles. Noun phrase like the boy. This has a role. This has a role. What would be that role? We will see. Kick is action. The ball. So where the action goes. Okay, action acts upon, that is ball. Then the ball it is actually. Then the verb describe the action it is done. Sorry, the entities it should ball. The verb describes the action kick. The noun phrase in the sentence describes the roles of entities such as people and things involved in the action. We can identify a small number of semantic roles, also called thematic roles, for these noun phrases. Okay, now we will have some um, examples. Before starting these concepts, I would like to tell you that, for example, in while studying about the types of sentence, or we can say not types of the sentence, parts of sentence within a sentence, what are the um, words, what are the things involved, parts involved, we are studying. Then we have subject, we have verb, we have object, we have uh, preposition, we have adverb. All the things we are studying, these are the same, but names are different. You know that agent is actually subject, but it is in grammar when we study it is subject, whereas here it is agent. So likewise we are studying, because this is linguistics, the pure language, the deep study about the sentence, the words, whereas in grammar we are looking on the side of grammar. Okay, the entity that performs the action is called agent. You know that when we study about subject, the part of sentence that perform action is called subject, where here it is agent. For example, the boy in the sentence, the boy kicked the ball. The boy is our agent in this sentence. Okay, this is done. Theme. For example, the entity that is involved in or affected by the action is called theme. And we say this is object in grammar. Okay, object. For example, the action goes upon, the action is acting upon, is called the receiver of the action is theme. Got it? Affected by the entity or the part that is affected by the action is called our theme. Okay, for example, the ball in the sentence, the boy kicked the ball, the action goes on the ball. This is what our theme. Okay, this is done. Next is instrument. Okay, instrument, an entity that an agent uses to perform an action is called instrument. Instrument is actually working with agent. We people have to keep in mind. For example, in old razor, in the sentence, the boy cut the rope with an old razor. Okay, actually, what entity was used by the subject or the agent to perform some action? It was an old razor. Okay, end should be there. Okay, so this is what our instrument. Where is the experiencer? The entity that has feeling, perception, or state is called experiencer. This is somehow interesting and tricky too. Okay, for example, we said that the part of sentence that perform an action is called our subject, and the part of sentence that has feeling is called our experiencer. For example, if you say I love you, I love you, then love is your feeling. In this way, I is your experiencer. If you say I play is your action, and I is here your agent. Got it? This is the difference we have to keep in mind. Okay, here the example is the boy feels sad. Feel is feeling. Okay, that's why this is our experiencer. Next is location. Designates where an entity is in the description of an event. Okay, on the wall. In the sentence, Mary saw a fly on the wall. On location, for example, where, what was the location? On the wall was our location. This is our location in semantic role. Okay, next is source, where an entity moves from. It is very easy. For example, from George. In the sentence, she borrowed a magazine from George. George is our source. For example, we can say from. We can say from. Okay, from is the place from where something comes is called our source, and the goal where something goes to. Okay, or moves to, where an entity moves to. For example, the George to George. In the sentence, she handed the magazine back to George. To George is our goal. Okay, next. So these are the examples we did. Thank you so much for watching. We will be meeting our upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.